everyone, I'm Zoe and we are the Educational Rockstars and this is our Teach and Share presentation. I'll go ahead and start off with my standards. I had a first grade math lesson, which the standards are represent and solve addition and subtraction problems, relate counting to addition and subtraction, and add and subtract within 20. So here are the deconstructed standards. Represent problems involving addition and subtraction, solve problems involving addition and subtraction, add within 20, subtract within 20, and relate counting to addition and subtraction. So my learning intentions is that the students will be able to add and subtract within 20 as well as relate their counting to addition and subtraction. So when they have their objects and they're counting them, they start to learn to count on, and they relate their addition and subtraction with counting. The students will be able to represent and solve their addition and subtraction using manipulatives. So with my specific activity, my students are going to be going on a nature walk to start their lesson for the day, and they are going to collect their own 5 objects, whether it be rocks, leaves, sticks, whatever they want to pick, and they will use those as their manipulatives. And after we finish our nature walk, they will get into partners and we will go over some problems on the board, and using our manipulatives that we found outside, we will represent our addition and subtraction problems that are on the board with our manipulatives. Then I will start a student discussion, a whole class discussion, asking students if they can count their objects and start to think of some problems that they can come up with on their own using their manipulatives that are right in front of them. Now, the students will only have 5 manipulatives that they found outside, so I will ask them to get into partners and combine their objects. That way they have 10 total. They will work together in partners to come up with 5 equations or 5 addition or subtraction problems using those manipulatives, whether it be they put all 10 of their objects together and they take away 1, 10 minus 1 equals 9, and so on. So the students will come up with 5 equations together in their partners, but they will each write them down individually. So for our formative assessment, for my little check-in with them, they are going to be doing an exit slip. So they'll write down the 5 equations or 5 addition and subtraction problems that they came up with together in a pair, and they will hand it in to me at the end of the class as their exit slip, as their formative assessment, their informal check-in. An exit slip is a great way for me to group the students and see where they're at with the assignment and with the content, who understands it, who needs a little more help, and who do I really need to go over with, maybe explain it in a different way, bring them into small groups, that type of thing. So the exit slip is really great because it allows the teacher to put students in different groups and really see what that student needs or who gets it, and so on. By seeing where the students are at, it allows the teacher to plan accordingly for the future. The next lesson that covers this type of content, is the teacher able to move on, or do those kids need some more clarification? Do they need more practice? Do they fully understand it? That type of thing. So the exit slip is really great. Obviously formative assessments are a great way to check in with your students and really just see where they are, make sure that they're prepared before the summative assessment on the content. But I really like the exit slip because rather than a thumbs up or thumbs down, you can really see it and collect it and really know and go over, okay, what do my students need help on? What are they good with? What do they need more practice on? Do I need to pull small groups? Do I need to let some kids move on? That type of thing. So I think the exit slip is really beneficial inside the classroom because it allows the teacher to plan accordingly for the next lesson and really make sure that each and every student is getting the instruction that they need and really understanding the content individually. Now, I picked Exit Slip for my formative assessment, and next we will hear Natalie's, which is Think, Pair, Share. Thank you.